Hello, you all. I'm at the Southampton Road Lowe's here in like the Dallas Fort Worth area. Look at this beautiful ivy. The color is so beautiful. Gold baby ivy, yeah. This is like curly locks ivy. I ain't trying to make you lose your thing. Baby bunny bellies, Scantia. What is that over there? Oh, it's a peperomia. I thought it was a Hoya. Teardrop peperomia. Beautiful. I've only bought 3 plants so far, so hopefully there's something good out here. Oh, it feels so good. So as you can see, there's like an amazing selection here. Lots of trailing plants are on these end cap things right here. Tons of pothos, golden pothos. Sorry, I have to hold the microphone. So there's tons of pothos and the global green pothos as well. Beautiful. If you're new here, I do go plant shopping rather frequently just to show you all what they have in stores. I do travel quite a lot, so I feel like I get exclusive access to different plant selections across America. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to save your gas money, or you just want to see what's out there, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and definitely share my content with your plantee friends. This is an abomination. Another fun fact about me, oh gosh, there was a bug. Another fun fact about me is that I do collect snake plants. Only bought 1 so far on this trip, so that's a thing. I feel like when they have plants like this, you should definitely, there we go. I feel like when they have plants like this, you should definitely be able to get them on clearance. Like, what is this? What is this? There's something in here I want to look at. Oh, it's peperomia. I thought it was some type of pothos. I've noticed as of late, I'm not really into buying the potted or the decorative plants. I prefer getting the nursery pots and making my own like decorative design. Little Scandapsis. She still has some new growth, so she's not completely gone. You can see what's good. I'm assuming these are half off. They're so messed up. It's so sad. Maybe some Dracaena. I'm sure I could find one that's not obliterated. These seem usually bounce back pretty quickly. Also a good tip for when you're shopping for clearance plants, just to get the planter for half off. You might not want the croton, but the planter will be $7. So here is the price on the clearance around here. 15 and up, it's half off. Less than $2, it's $1. Less than $2, it should be 50 cents. But yeah, that's their breakdown. There's tons of Raven ZZs on here. Who are these? Costa Farms? Yeah, they got their money's worth selling these to them. How dare they have more plants? They have the nerve to have more plants. Like, more plants. I can't believe they really have more plants in here. Whew, it's interesting. That one doesn't even look like it's supposed to be on clearance. Probably won't get a clearance plant. They don't look like they're that healthy. I wanted to get a sago palm. $15. I think they're cheaper at Walmart right now. And like I always say, I don't need the decorative planter, so But they do have a very nice selection of the wick and grow plants. Like I said, I'm in Dallas, so it's super hot. Like right now it's 75 degrees and it's like 3 o'clock or something. And I'm sure that's considered like a light temperature for them. So yeah, I think it's just very humid in here, but not wet enough for these plants. Oh, I have some begonias down here. The Rex begonia. For me, I feel like those definitely require a lot of humidity. Can't really figure out the lighting with them though. I don't know if these are on clearance. This is a cool vase. I'm sure it says something. I didn't know, but Live Trends is Urban Jungle. They got the planter game in a chokehold. So here on the ground we have some misters. I'm not a fan of misters. They always break on me. But I've said I don't want to mist my plants anymore simply because it doesn't do anything for them. So basically, I feel like this, I feel like this location has too many plants. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe that's the issue with why the plants all look so icky when I come big box plant shopping, is because there's just too many plants. There's just too many plants. And it doesn't seem like there's anybody taking care of them, because I know when I take care of my plants, it's definitely like an all day thing. And I have less than 100 plants, so there's that. Here for $18.98 and $21.98 we have Kokedama orchids, bromeliads, so maybe that's the name. But Better Grow bromeliads, and they're inside of like I want to say it's like a coconut moss wrapped situation. Lots of different ferns, dried out dracaenas. I wonder what they would say if I went up there like, the plants back there aren't doing very well. You guys are not going to make any money if you keep treating your plants like this. An anthurium. I want to get an anthurium. I feel like they're very beautiful. And for me, red is like such a standout color. Very good for protection, passion, love, energy. So stay tuned. You may see one of those in the garden soon. Yeah, I'm not leaving here without a plant, so I'm gonna find some goodies. And is this some lettuce or something? It looks like lettuce. No, that's the lettuce. I know that's lettuce. Here I'm gonna do an overview. I've been adjusting my camera settings, so it should be in a good like it shouldn't be lapsing. What is this? Prince. I'm from South America. My full name is Prince what? I guess this is a Transcantia. Some type of variegated Transcantia. Prince. Let's take you down. Ooh. That's nice. It has like a red tint to it. Purple, almost. Prince Columeria. I don't know what type of plant you are. I think you're a Transcantia because you're fuzzy. But because I've been obsessed with Hoya plants lately, I think everything's a Hoya. But from my understanding, Hoya plants are waxy and kind of thick to the touch. They do have some neon pothos and some enjoy pothos, I believe these are called. So yeah, they got the rare tropical plants. They got the common house plants. They have tons of hanging planters. So now I'm about to tackle this and see what I can find. Preferably, I want to go home with a Hoya plant. But whenever I'm traveling, a lot of people say like, oh my gosh, Destiny, why didn't you get that? Well, they don't say Destiny, they say girl. And I'm gonna let y'all know right now, on this channel and on Most Black Women's channel, don't refer to them as girl. Say my name. Say their name. Say their name. But yeah, what was I even saying? Oh yeah, a lot of people say like, why didn't you get any of those clearance plants? Why didn't you purchase them? And it's like, I'm traveling. The clearance plants are like on their last leg. They will not make it. They will not make it for 30 hours, 6 days until I get home to Charlotte, you know? I know 30 hours isn't 6 days, but I'm just saying like those were two options. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I really can't believe that I don't like anything in the store. Design ivy, no, that's nice. Yeah, I'm pretty like confused as to why I don't like any of these plants. I'm feeling like I'm probably going to buy some clearance planters so that I can have some cool planters for when I go back home. I'm trying to see if they have Algerian ivy. I got it one year and I just can't seem to find it again. And I've almost killed the 2 plants that I've had. They're down to like their last vine. So if you see any Algerian ivy anywhere, please let me know so I can cop that with the quickness. Yeah, at this point, I believe that I am all done plant shopping. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire-breathing conversation.